In today's video, I'm going to teach you top 7 Shopify loyalty program apps. We'll walk through how to find each one right from your Shopify admin and what to look for on their app pages so you can quickly compare options and choose the best fit for your store. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the Apps section, select Add Apps to open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Loyalty to see the top results. Open the listing for Marsello, Loyalty, Email, SMS. On the app page, scan the overview, screenshots, pricing, and recent reviews. Marsello stands out if you want loyalty tightly connected with email and SMS, especially for omnichannel merchants. Note the plan that includes automations and how it connects to your existing marketing stack. Head back to the App Store results and open Rivo, Loyalty Program, Rewards. Rivo is known for fast setup of points, referrals, and VIP tiers. Preview the on-site widget and check theme compatibility. A good tip here is to look for integration tags and any mention of one-click theme installs. Next, search and open Yotpo, Loyalty Rewards Program. Yotpo, formerly Swell, is a strong choice if you need robust enterprise features or you already use Yotpo reviews and SMS. Review the analytics section, available tiers, and referral options, and confirm what's included at each price point. Search for Smile.io and open Smile, Loyalty Program Rewards. Smile is popular for its simplicity and reliable points, referrals, and VIP programs. Look for the free plan details, supported languages, and integrations with your email provider so you can trigger campaigns based on point balances. Search S-Loyalty and open S-Loyalty and Rewards Program. This one focuses on straightforward points and seasonal campaigns. Check currency handling, multilingual support, and any tools for holiday promotions or bonus events. Search Gameball and open Gameball. Loyalty Points Games. If gamification matters, Gameball adds missions, badges, and tiers to drive engagement. Review how missions are configured, what data powers them, and how rewards appear in the on-site widget. Finally, search Bon and open Bon Loyalty Program and Rewards. Bon offers flexible rewards and a highly branded widget. Confirm multilingual support, referral options, and any caps or limits on monthly order volumes across plans. As you open each listing, use the tabs to review features, pricing tables, screenshots, and merchant reviews. Check the last updated date for an active roadmap, and note free trial lengths so you can test without risk. To recap the names you'll search: Marsello, Rivo, Yotpo, Smile, S-Loyalty, Gameball, and Bon. That's it. Apps, Shopify App Store,